Hi everyone. Thank you for watching this video. Today I'm going to cover what I should have posted yesterday. So again, we are going to cover the same thing, what happened in Grassam, and I'm also going to cover an interesting point today. I think it will definitely help people who are starting out uh, and who want to get into full-time trading. So what happened yesterday was I took a trade in Grassam over here. The plan was made the previous day only. I'll tell you what was the plan and what happened and all that. So I understood that what I understood, what I'm going to do about it is something very basic, is what I always go with. So I understand that we have bullish pressure not sustaining, right? This is bullish pressure not sustaining. We have volume stepping in, price is pushing bearish. Again, we have volume stepping in, again, price is pushing bearish. So this was very clear sign by the market कि bullish volume is not sustaining at a higher level. I'm not saying that bullish volume is going to continue pushing bearish. It is just not sustaining at a higher level and it is pushing bearish. So this is something was identified. So next day my plan was very simple. I thought my plan was let price come back to these levels and see if I'm getting a shorting opportunity. Then I was waiting the whole day. I was just observing this, and we saw back-to-back bullish candle stepping in back to same area. So somewhere I felt like, chalo, my plan is somewhere working out, and I can do something about this as well. So after bullish volume, back-to-back bullish volume pushed back to the same level, and the plan was pretty and was matching to my plan of shorting it somewhere in this area. So I felt like this was I will also get a good risk to reward as well, considering I have enough range. Sorry, let me show this. I have enough range back to previous structure low to again sell it. So I took the entry over here. I saw this first wick rejection, then there was this bullish candle, and then there was this depletion candle. So I did not shorted it immediately below this wick because I felt that was pretty early. We do not know because we are entering back off of strong bullish pressure step in the market. So I thought I'll wait for one candle. When this candle stepped in, it was pretty strong. Then I entered it right below this. I entered it right below this, and I took a 1:1 over here. So I took a 1:1 on this trade. Uh, Here it was around 1:1. Yeah, this was somewhere around 13 points. This was a 1:1 I took. Why 1:1? I did not feel like this is something that was going to continue pushing bearish. Did not make sense to me. Why it would actually continue push bearish? Because we are coming back off of a strong bullish pressure. So there was a probability that this could probably form a higher low before this happened. I felt like there was a probability that this could form a higher low. This whole bullish pressure could form a higher low and again continue pushing bullish. So I took a 1:1 and I entered another trade as well. I felt, and another reason why I entered was ki I felt like this trade which I took, this 1:1 which I got, I felt that I got pretty lucky with this, meaning that I did not feel like I have actually followed a process and followed a system, and then I was able to win this trade. Because why you have to question yourself, why 1:1? Why 1:1? Why should it be around 1:2, 1:3 as well? Why did I only take 1:1? At that point in time, I felt like 1:1 probably should be the good risk to reward. And I took, and I felt like this trade was pretty lucky in terms of me winning it. So I did not feel like it was a win. And that is something that happens to me. I did not feel like it was a win. Then what I did, I felt like, okay, chalo, is bar, even if I lose, it is no issues. I'll again enter a trade because I feel like the setup is still there. The setup of selling it and the setup of price pushing bearish is still there in the market. So I waited for some more time. Again, I saw multiple wick rejections at this point in time. Again, I took a trade right below this wick, saying that again, same reason, saying that we have enough range back to previous structure low. I took a trade over here again. I placed the stop loss right above this where it needs to be. And I exited this trade around 3:15 candle, the last candle before the market closes. So I took another 9 points over here. No, again, the reason why I took this was because I felt I was pretty lucky in terms of getting 1:1. So I thought, let's stay in the setup. The setup is much more important. The plan why you entered the setup is much more important than simple profits. And next day, after this day, I also had a plan. My plan was ki, theek hai, we have this bullish volume. So if it breaks above, price can probably continue pushing bullish. It did break above. I could have bought a buy right over here, but I was not there on the screen. I was just watching it on phone, and I did not trade when I'm watching it on phone. So this was a move which is probably I missed. So yeah, and for the plan on Monday, I'm somewhere thinking ki probably price would just do a very small pullback and again try attempting to push bullish. Not sure. Let's see what happens on Monday. And yeah, this is one thing which I wanted to share. And second thing, the most important thing is dealing with uncertainty. Now, this is very important. People who do not understand this, Certanity, and let's see if I'm getting the spelling right. Yeah. People who do not understand this will suffer a lot, is what I'm saying. Dealing with uncertainty. Uncertainty matlab kya? Dealing with something you're not sure of. That is dealing with uncertainty in the markets is probably the biggest hurdle as a trader you might have to face. You will face, no, sorry, not might have to face. You will face. Meaning uncertainty ka matlab, it could be in any way possible. It could be in terms of you not knowing if the trade will win. Uncertainty is what for me. For me, uncertainty is unknown. Dealing with the unknown. You do not knowing if the trade will win. You're not knowing if the setup will play out. You're not knowing if the targets are going to work out. You're not knowing if the risk to reward is right. How do you deal with uncertainty? How do you deal with you being okay with 1:1? How do you deal with losses? Yes, of uncertainty. है. This the day you overcome uncertainty, that is probably the biggest hurdle you will overcome being a trader. And how did I deal with uncertainties? Writing a lot, bro. You have to write a lot. You write everything that is going on in your mind, why it is happening, how should I deal with it, what is the reason behind uncertainty, why did I choose to become a trader, what is my purpose of trading, what is my purpose of staying disciplined, what are my beliefs about the system, about my system, what are my beliefs about this trade, why am I staying disciplined, all this helps deal with uncertainty. There is no one-stop solution on how to deal with uncertainty. The biggest challenge in uncertainty was, am I good enough to be a trader? Is what I felt was a biggest challenge. Because I did not have results for five years. I cannot use the bad words. So I did not have results for 5 years. In those 5 years, dealing with uncertainty, dealing with loneliness, dealing with not having friends, is pretty was the most horrible thing, to be very honest. But I took it as a challenge. I took it that this is probably what it takes to become a trader. But everybody's journey is different. I don't know how is yours going on. But dealing with uncertainty of not knowing if you can become a trader, not knowing even if you put 5 years of effort, you do not know if you will come on top or not. Dealing with that thought, dealing with that uh, uncertainty of uncertain behavior, uncertain. Oh my God, that is pretty difficult to deal with. But you have to overcome. You have to write a lot. You have to believe in yourself a lot for you to overcome that. You need to find the purpose you're trading. You need to find the purpose of your setup. You need to find every single action that you take in the market needs to have a purpose, needs to have a belief system of why you're doing it, why are you taking it, why you want to become a stock trader. That is when you can deal with uncertainty. Either it could be in terms of losses, uncertainty in terms of not having too many wins, anything. Uncertainty till date, till you become a trader, till even if you become a professional trader, you will have to deal with it. But now I can deal with it much easily because I have seen it long, I have seen it many times for me to just not give a damn about it. And yeah, that's it. If you something you have the very similar doubt where where you're not sure of what is going to happen, if you're investing your time in the right place in trading, is it the right thing for you or not? You can put down in comments. I'll definitely love to help you out as well. And yeah, that's it for this video. In the next video, I'll also cover a little bit about how you should probably set targets for your for your setups, how targets play an important role, and how to deal with possibilities, how possibilities of a setup playing out again plays an important role. I'll cover that in the next video. If you like the video, please subscribe. And yeah, uh, that's it. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video again. Take care. Bye.